Bill with Buck and Buck, and I'm here to tell you about our printed T-top jumpsuit. Like all of our jumpsuits, it's really a great solution for anyone dealing with either inappropriate or unwanted undressing. And as you can see, it looks like a t-shirt and a pair of pants, whereas this t-shirt has actually been sewn into the waistline of this sweatpants, which make it a jumpsuit. It's very comfortable. It's easy to get on and off. You can see it has a zipper that opens deep down the back for caregivers. Makes it very easy to get it both on and off of the wearer, as does this very roomy, elastic waistline on the sweatpants. Now you can see it also blouses out. This shirt blouses out quite a bit, so it can accommodate any number of body types, sizes, what have you. It's very comfortable, fits nice, it holds up well in the wash, and you can see also that we have this printed nature design. We have a number of wildlife and natural scenes, number of colors. Please just talk to your customer service agent. They will do their best to get you whatever you're looking for. Again, this is the printed T-top jumpsuit. Just one more solution in our line of jumpsuits here at Buck and Buck. We hope it'll work for you too.